Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is Sunday, February 10. We're going to Tanay Rizal, Martesam. Not sure if it's a hotel or restaurant or whatever. So tatry natin doon. Dalhin tong ating Ford Everest Trend 2025. It's currently 12:50 p.m. So estimated arrival natin doon is 3 p.m. Bali manggagaling kami dito sa may San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So if you guys want to see POV driving of this Everest Trend and also to see kung saan kami mapupunta and yung places, whatever. Watch until the end of the video, guys. So, alright, thanks. We're here in Laguna, in Fairview. So, as you can see, MRT 7 is still under construction after several years. Oh my God.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Ascension Avenue.
This is Fatima University. Welcome to Fairview. Ayan.
Turn left onto Ascension Avenue.
That's the donkey drill. That is where we buy Ate Chloe. There.
Dapat dinala mo yung isa, yung ano ni Dayan, yung pinilito, yung isa.
Wala naman paglalagyan doon.
Diyan sa gilid ko, pinakagilid.
Pangit.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Domingo de Ramos.
Then we go.
Alright, so guys, this is Techno Hub. Commonwealth.
In 300 meters, make a U-turn.
I used to work there. Two years ago? Three years ago, yes. So we're gonna do a quick stop over here.
Make a
Mag-CR
U-turn.
lang tayo. Dito pala ako mag-U-turn, shit. Hindi na lang tayo mag-U-turn.
Continue on
Mag-CR
Route
kayo.
170 for 1.5
Hindi na lang
kilometers.
tayo mag-U-turn sa dulo.
Head southwest on Commonwealth Avenue, Don Mariano Marcos Avenue toward Techno Hub entrance.
Ikutin pala natin yung buong
Continue on Route 170 for 800 meters.
makapag-U-turn lang. Buong circle. Yaman.
Head northwest on Techno Hub entrance.
Siya.
In 150 meters, turn right onto Commonwealth Avenue, Don Mariano Marcos Avenue.
Place to be.
No, go get me Chloe.
Go. Hindi muna kayo din. Then me. Bukas yan. Hindi naman nagsasara yung siya. Where you going?
I
Maybe?
forgot.
Maybe? Go.
We're going to be Freeway. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Ang dami paliko-liko. Naambon pa. Camping dito. Bili nga ako naman. Tent. Sa mahal eh. Alam ko pwede mag-camping yata dyan eh, or something. Kaso pag nag-camping ka naman, dahil mo pang kailangan. Lutuan, ganyan. Gastos pa naman. Nandali ito na parang ako nasa Baguio din eh.
Oo.
Nagnanarap mo. Pero ganda rin ang senior. Parang sa pagkabahay dito, no?
Oo, Antipolo. Huwag lang dun sa city.
Tanay ito, tanay.
Rizal?
Oh. Tanay na natin. Oo, tanay na to. Tanay na siguro to. Dito masarap magkabahay. Kahit rest house na. Ang tama every weekend. Coffee shop. Christy.
Lakas ng hangin, oh.
May jacket yan.
Oo.
Alright. Ito na yun, Marilak. Nakalagay din. Na-testing yung ano ko ah. Driving skills ko. Sa maliit na kalsada. Slow down. We are approaching Comelec checkpoint. Checkpoint.
Nabutan natin yung ano, Labara.
Alright guys, here we are. Time check 3:20. Time of arrival 3:22. Maaga tayo ng 2 minutes. We are here at Martesem, Tanay Rizal. So let's see kung ano meron dito. Alam ko may coffee shop dito eh. Or makakainan. So okay siya, magandang place. Siguro. Alright, so balikan ko kayo.